Understanding the pneumatic pump, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term often used in engineering and technology, the pneumatic pump. If you're curious about how things work, especially in the world of mechanics, this video is for you. Let's dive into understanding what a pneumatic pump is and how it's used in everyday applications. A pneumatic pump is a type of pump that uses compressed air or gas to move fluids or sometimes even small solids. The word pneumatic comes from the Greek word pneuma, which means air or wind. So, a pneumatic pump essentially uses the power of air to operate. These pumps are known for their efficiency and safety, especially in environments where electric pumps might be hazardous. In this section, we'll explore the mechanics behind pneumatic pumps. These pumps work by converting the energy from compressed air into mechanical energy. This is typically done through a cylinder and a piston mechanism. When the compressed air pushes the piston, it creates a vacuum, which then draws the fluid into the cylinder. On the reverse stroke, the fluid is pushed out, thus creating a pumping action. Pneumatic pumps are versatile and used in various fields. Some of the common applications include industrial manufacturing, for operating machinery and tools, automotive systems, in brake and suspension systems, medical equipment, especially in environments where electricity might pose a risk, food and beverage industry, for transferring ingredients safely. Understanding the benefits of pneumatic pumps can help us appreciate their importance. They are known for their safety, ideal for explosive or flammable environments, durability, less prone to wear and tear due to fewer moving parts, versatility, can handle a variety of materials, including corrosive or viscous fluids. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a pneumatic pump is and how it's used in various industries. It's fascinating to see how something as simple as compressed air can power such an important tool in our modern world. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to help you learn English in fun and interesting ways.